Hello viewers, welcome to our new lecture. In the previous lecture we had done some brief discussion on VLC player. In this video we will see that how to install VLC player. Now let's start it. First of all, if you don't have VLC player set up in CD or DVD, then you can download it through internet. First of all, go to your browser, open your browser and search file hippo VLC. Okay, then click on there are two setups. One is of 32 bit and second of 64 bit. So अगर आपके सिस्टम में 32 बिट का आपने इंस्टॉल करना हुआ तो 32 बिट पर क्लिक करें। अगर आपके सिस्टम में 64 बिट इंस्टॉल हो सकता है तो 64 बिट पर क्लिक करें। ठीक हो गया। मैं वैसे 32 बिट पर क्लिक कर देता हूँ। देन डाउनलोड लेटेस्ट वर्जन। Okay, select any location from here and then save. Now the download has been completed now, so let's see. Here we have 32 bit and 64 bit. I will install 64 bit. Okay, right click on it, then run as administrator. Yes, then click on in next. Add, remove, reinstall components. Next, then finish. Run a VLC media player, then finish. Okay, so allow metadata network access, continue. So ये installed हो चुका है. In next video inshallah we will study about how to cut video through VLC media player, or how to take a picture or screenshot from any video using VLC media player. So तब तक के लिए take care. Allah Hafiz. Inshallah we will meet in the next lecture. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care.